Here's my chocolate bark recipe, perfect for Valentine's Day. So good. Here's some ingredients. We're gonna start off by melting our dairy-free chocolate. I'm using a Pyrex over some water on medium. Then you're gonna use some parchment paper, add your first layer of almond butter or your favorite butter. Then crack and crunch up some puffed rice for some nice texture. I'm using crispy green strawberries for nice tartness and also some nice crunch. Coconut for a nice texture as well. Crispy green mangoes for nice tart and color. Add your dairy-free melted chocolate all over. Another layer of crispy green strawberry and some coconut. Then we are ready to bring this into the freezer for about 10 minutes. Boom, there we go. Look at that, super easy. Comes out so delicious. I'm gonna cut it up into different pieces. Nice crunch, let's give it a taste test. Oh my God, yes, so good. Happy dance. Follow for more recipes.